Hi friends! The DMIN function in Microsoft Excel is used to calculate the smallest number in a field of records in a database that matches conditions that you have specified. Do you want to know how you can use the DMIN function in an Excel worksheet? Here are the steps to do so. Open the desired Excel worksheet. Select the cell where you want to get the function's result. Click on the Insert Function button. In the Search for a Function box, type DMIN and then click on the Go button. Select DMIN from the list and then click on the OK button. Click on the Database box and then select the database range that, for example, includes name of products, place, quantity, and amount here. Click on the Field box and then select the field range, which for demo purpose here is quantity. Click on the Criteria box and then select the criteria range, which for example here is USB. It is also showing the result here. Click on OK to get the result. That is the minimum quantity of USB in the cell that we selected earlier. If you change the product name in the criteria table, it will show the result according to the newly added product. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching. For more details, click on the eye icon on the top right of the video. Check out our